Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves writing by hand but also wants the convenience of going digital, this one's for you. Today we're diving into the top 5 best smart notebooks you can get your hands on in 2025. These are perfect for students, professionals, creatives, basically anyone who wants to take notes the smart way. From reusable pages to cloud syncing and app integration, I'll show you which notebooks stand out and why. All the smart notebooks featured in this video are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out after watching. Ready to upgrade your note-taking game? Let's get into it. 5. iFlytek AINOTE Air 2. The iFlytek AINOTE Air 2 is a powerful AI-powered digital notebook designed to transform the way you take notes and manage meetings. It features real-time voice-to-text transcription with over 90% accuracy, permanently free, while also allowing handwritten input on its 8.2-print e-ink screen that mimics the feel of real paper with ultra-low 23 milliseconds latency. Supporting handwriting recognition in 83 languages and voice transcription in 15, it's ideal for multilingual professionals. Smart scheduling features let you mark notes with symbols to auto-generate to-dos and weekly reports. Equipped with adjustable dual-color front lights, the tablet also offers a comfortable reading and listening experience across multiple formats. With OneDrive integration, 32 gigabytes local and 100 gigabyte cloud storage, a 2600 mAh battery for 7 days of use, built-in ChatGPT assistance, and a 5 megapixel OCR scanner, this all-in-one device redefines productivity for meetings, learning, and beyond. Number 4. VIWOODS AiPaper Experience next-generation digital handwriting and reading with the AiPaper, powered by advanced Carta 1300 Mobius screen technology. Its enhanced contrast and crystal-clear visuals, paired with a fast, energy-efficient response, make every interaction seamless. Unlike glass screen tablets, AiPaper delivers a truly paper-like experience with a 750 micrometer pen-to-ink distance and a textured surface for authentic pen-on-paper feel. Elevate your productivity with integrated AI that summarizes, organizes, and analyzes your notes in real time. Stay on track using the Smart Daily Planner, which combines task management, document tracking, and calendar sync with Google and Outlook. Share and sync files effortlessly via cloud platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, or through secure transfers with WLAN, Bluetooth, USB, or ViTransfer. With a 10.65-inch glare-free 300 ppi display, powerful octa-core MT8788 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage, no subscription needed, and a lightweight 4.5mm design, AiPaper redefines what a digital notepad can be. The package includes everything you need: the iPaper tablet, a folio cover, an EMR stylus, Gen 2.5, and 5 replacement tips for lasting performance. 3. Remarkable Paper Pro. Introducing the Remarkable Paper Pro, the ultimate paper tablet that brings color to your creative workflow for the first time. With its ultra-slim, lightweight design and expansive 11.8-inch canvas color display, it offers a truly immersive writing, sketching, and reading experience, now in vivid color. The included Marker Plus delivers a natural, paper-like feel with remarkable precision and a built-in eraser for effortless edits. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the Paper Pro tablet, Marker Plus, 6 spare tips, and a USB-C cable. Organize your work seamlessly with folders and tags, annotate PDFs, and convert handwriting to typed text in seconds. And whether you're working under bright sunlight or reading late at night, the low-glare screen and adjustable reading light ensure comfortable viewing anytime, anywhere. 2. Amazon Kindle Scribe. Experience a digital notebook designed for everything you write, read, and think, without the distractions of notifications or social media. This purpose-built device replaces your stack of notebooks with a sleek, minimalist tool that feels like pen on paper, thanks to the responsive premium pen that requires no setup or charging. Built-in AI tools help you stay organized by converting messy handwriting into clean text, summarizing your notes, and adjusting tone and length effortlessly. Easily import documents and PDFs via Send to Kindle and mark them up right on the page. Capture insights as you read with Active Canvas, which expands margins for notes without losing your place. The 10.2-inch glare-free 300 ppi front-lit display ensures comfortable reading and writing in any light, while the long battery life lets you read for months and write for weeks on a single charge. 1. Books Tablet Note Air 4C. The device features a stunning 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 screen with a flat Carta 1200 glass cover, offering vibrant color support, 4,096 colors, and crisp black and white resolution at 300 ppi. It combines Book Stylus Touch with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and capacitive touch for precise input. Powered by an octa-core processor with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage, it runs on Android 13 and supports a wide range of document, image, and audio formats. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1, while front lighting with adjustable warm and cold tones, a G sensor for auto rotation, and support for third-party apps enhance usability. The device also includes a power button with fingerprint recognition, USB-C with OTG audio support, microSD slot, dual speakers, microphone, and a 3,700 mAh battery, all packed into a sleek 226 by 193 by 5.8 millimeter body, weighing approximately 420 grams. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best smart notebooks you can get right now. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized in style, there's definitely a smart notebook on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future tech recommendations. All the product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check those out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.